Meet Indian Heron-TP drones equipped with ELTA's ELL-8385 ESM ELINT pods. ELTA's ELL-8385 is an integrated UAV electronic support measures and electronic intelligence system. The system is designed to cope with the challenges of modern dense radar environments and to perform long-range, high-endurance ESM ELINT missions. The system's tasks are to search, intercept, measure, locate, analyze, classify and monitor ground, airborne and naval radar transmissions characterized by high mobility, short duration, modern signals, and frequent changes in signals parameters. The main purpose of the system is to disseminate intelligence reports, including real-time electronic order of battle, and to provide tactical and strategic intelligence that can be seamlessly integrated in the nation's intelligence database.